there friends! I'm Henri Bot, your friendly digital marketing guide from Ready Aim Digital Marketing, where we help brands hit the bullseye every time. Today, I'm going to help you unlock one of the most powerful tools in branding, color. Now colors aren't just pretty, they also speak to people's emotions. Choosing the right ones can help your brand stand out, build trust, and connect with the right audience. Get ready for some questions. Let's dive in. First color on the list is black. It's bold, mysterious, and timeless like my furry sharp-toothed friend here. What logos come to mind when you think of the color black? How about Nike, Adidas, and Gucci? Simple, but they definitely make a statement, right? Next on our list is the color white. That's a good-looking bird. Suddenly I feel hungry. Don't worry, I'm not planning on eating it. I was just thinking about chicken nuggets. Back to the subject. The color white often makes people feel calm, clean, and refreshed, ready for new ideas. This may be why it is used in so many logos. Can you think of any? What about Apple, Dove, and Samsung, to name a few? Now for my favorite color, green. Wow, those are some aggressive eyes, but I'd guarantee that I'd be warm in a fur coat that thick. Not a green one though, because I'd look like a robot tree, hee. Anyway, green logos give the feeling of growth, fresh, and trustworthy. So, green can be calm, natural, and inspiring. Starbucks, BP, and Xbox are a few businesses that have green logos. Whoa, all this red makes me want to dance. Red is exciting and full of energy, it grabs attention fast. That's why brands like YouTube and Coca-Cola love it. Red in logos sparks passion, urgency, and bold confidence. So while I'm busy showing off my robot dance moves, remember, red makes people stop, look, and feel the heat. How does red make you feel? Ah, look at that purple elephant, adorable. Purple isn't just cute, it's powerful. In logos, it sparks feelings of creativity, imagination, and even royalty. That's why so many brands love it, like Yahoo, Hallmark, and Taco Bell. So while I'm busy wishing I had elephant ears, remember, purple makes people dream big. This is rare but cuteness overload. I repeat, cuteness overload. Okay, normal systems back online. Yellow in logos is all about happiness, energy, and optimism. It grabs attention fast and makes people feel cheerful and creative. Think McDonald's, IKEA, or Snapchat. So while I get the name and number of my horse friend's hairstylist, remember, yellow makes the world feel brighter. I hope that orange tiger isn't hungry. Just in case, I'll make this quick. Orange in logos feels fun, friendly, and full of confidence. It's playful and energetic, which is why brands like Dunkin', SoundCloud, and Nickelodeon use it. So while I'm backing away slowly, remember, orange makes people smile, laugh, and feel connected. Whoa! Beautiful, that blue eagle just reminded me that I need to pick up some blue cheese dressing at the store later. Clearly, I should grocery shop before filming these videos. Anyway, blue in logos makes people feel calm, safe, and trustworthy. This may be why businesses such as American Express, Walmart, and Meta use blue as their primary logo color. Well, I hope you've learned how the colors you choose for your logo can affect the mood and emotions of the people who see it. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. And don't forget to check the links in the description. I've added some powerful tools and info to help you take your business to the next level. Well, this has been fun. See you next time.